You know how nerve-wracking this whole thing is?
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am just finishing my dance class, getting ready to get the day started. Great way to start the day. Move your body, get going. Today wasn't even the jump up class. Today was like the controlled contemporary movements. And you see me? Yeah. Anyway, busy day ahead. Looking forward to it and looking forward to taking you guys along.
Okay guys, so as you know, we're getting this glass door fixed at the front, and guess what, ALCOR is here right on time to the second assessment now, because they already did measurements and stuff. So we have to try close out the process now with the second assessment.
Hey, how are you?
Morning boss. Respect.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah man, the man of the moment. What's your name, sir?
I'm Mon Maxwell.
Respect.
Right. Alright, so what happening now is that I want to take a look to make sure, so when we come on day to install, we have as little cups as possible.
Alright, you want to start
So
outside
I
or
want to start
inside?
outside. I want to take a look on the outside.
Sure.
The thing seems straightforward, but alright, there is a little bit of cracking here going here, so in which case once we move this, then there's going to be some disturbance to masonry.
Yeah, so we'll need a mason on site.
Pancho, come out of the way now.
Move.
Pancho got a
Sorry.
new thing, man.
Some people don't like cats.
Pancho can tell.
Right now. Pops is here to Dad. We're looking at replacing this
Alright.
sliding door. So this is our second assessment to do it. Oh, also, Moan,
boss.
just to let you know, we are going
Good
to
morning.
be. Our plan is to change the tiles.
Mm-hmm.
So, can you give me like a solution for we're lifting that flooring and redoing the flooring? I don't know what you'd suggest, because we're kind of doing this back to front, or does that where it is not affect the tiling at
Where
all?
the door is going to sit, it's not going to affect the tiling,
Okay.
the tiled area at all. Because
Okay, good.
this is not affecting the tiled area at all
Exactly,
right
it's
now.
on that-
The
it's
door is
on
going to
that
go
thing.
pretty much the same place.
Okay, got it.
Which is a good thing. because
Yeah.
Yeah.
we can
There
go
is
back.
something I can point out to you now though. The
Sure.
door does come with a sill, and that sill is pretty much about 2 inches.
Okay. What's 2 inches again? What, this much?
Twice as much
Yeah,
as one.
okay.
No, but I'm joking.
I love that. It's great.
All right. 2 inches is probably just under. This is inch.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right,
okay.
this is an inch and 3/4.
Got
It's about
it.
a quarter inch less than more than this. So it's about that big. That big.
Okay.
So it's thicker than that. I'm realizing now that it's not a door you guys use very much.
Well, it's just because we don't have access to it, so we're changing that.
It's
So
not
we're trying
functional.
We're
So
trying
I'm
to
thinking
dig
that
out.
once that nice pretty door goes in, you're going to be using this area a lot more.
Absolutely, which means
Yeah.
we're clearing out that that tree that's right
Okay,
beside
okay,
you will be
okay.
gone and all that stuff.
This area seems like to be a
They're gonna
garden
clear
area,
to it.
right?
Yeah.
So what I'm suggesting, what I could suggest, is that you have a door where most of them kind of slide to that side.
Oh,
You know,
got it. Instead of just opening
instead
one
of
way,
opening the middle
slide into
here
that
and you're
side.
right and you're dead in here. still.
Yeah.
You could have a situation where those don't necessarily slide. This one is
There you
and
go.
I
you can
like
go
that.
in and
There you
out.
go.
You don't have to
Yes.
kill the garden.
I like that.
I'm gonna take a look on the inside as well. The outside seems fine. I'm gonna do a measurement because I know GR measured, but
Just wanted
you
a
know,
second
measure
one.
twice, cut once is always a better.
Absolutely.
And then of course you have the window as well too, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Renovation start, people.
Oh, Win, I'm excited.
Imagine when this is fixed up, man, how the
Oh
front
my
are gonna
God.
just transform real quick.
We're gonna have to clear out that plant there. You can dig up that, because I think we should actually dig that up before they have to install.
Yeah, I remember
Maybe-
they don't plan for dig it up.
Maybe Frost could come and help you with that. It would be a shame to just.
Should we move it?
That's what I'm saying. Is that even a thing? Maybe we can call Andrew and find out.
Yeah.
Daddy, do you think we could? Do you think it's worth moving those trees, or just like uprooting them and done with them?
Done with them.
Gee.
You say me love you
Cool.
like mango.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Let me move the thing there, because the louvers don't work.
Oh.
Great. You don't have one of these. holding your louver. Then do you even have a louver window? What type of window would you suggest? Because I know you have different options. Would you do the push up? Would you do the wind out? I don't know what the best would be.
You're gonna have a sliding window there. There's nothing gonna be protruding.
Right.
You know, so I would try to keep the same theme on this wall. It's a narrow window, so I wouldn't necessarily choose a slider. If I was very narrow, I'd probably choose a push-up window for this.
Okay.
I mean, I think that would be ideal. You're going to have a little bit of crossing in terms of lines going down and line going across, but because that window is still going to be on that same wall, you should be fine. That's like
Come like you have kids, you know.
Yes, man.
Man, know the thing, you know. So it would have to come off then, or are you saying that it might not have to?
It is. There's a very strong possibility that I might not have to remove it for the installation of the door.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
It's going to take it a little bit longer, but
Yeah.
let's say an hour top.
And it might even mean that we don't have to change out the whole grill right now.
Right away, exactly.
Yeah, because that's another expense on top of it and project, and maybe we can just wait a little on that. So let me ask you one last thing. Based on where these openings are, which were obviously for the handles of the, we'll still be able to easily open the sliding doors.
It's a sliding door. I am not sure exactly how it's designed now. I think it's designed pretty much like this is.
Okay, got it.
Where you have the handles in the middle.
Got
In
it.
which case the handle, this
Well,
should be fine.
be
Also, with the distance here, I should be fine as
Okay,
well.
yeah.
My handles don't come as far over.
Oh, okay, got it. That was really the thing that you wouldn't rub on it.
Good question.
Do I
Did
get
they
like
find top
points
of
for
tea?
this? Who's ready for an MTM makeover? Me! I have one more question.
24 seconds.
I know I have a lot of questions. Hurricane time, we won't have to tape the glass.
No.
I have to make sure.
Tommy, ALCOR, you know, see ALCOR AdSense. I'll gunshot fire for ALCOR window.
Okay. So how long we're looking at before we can actually start installation, do you think? Because you're going to make the door now, right?
We're going to make the door now. I'm thinking in the same place inside that window, that 7 to 10 day window, we should be installing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, man, so at the end of 10 days, you should have your new door.
Amazing.
Wicked.
Oh, yes, there's a window. Yeah. yeah, man, no problem.
But I would suggest, while you're looking about that, make sure that you do the grill.
You think you should just do the grill same time?
Yes, so that when they come, there's no more thing going to go
But I
near
was
them.
thinking you have the option of keeping this grill so we don't have to have a second, we don't have to put on a added cost to it,
All right.
you know? But we need to clean it, paint it, all that good stuff so that the window looks great. Because it's going to be a beautiful door. Alright guys, so that went really well. Very excited about it, but for now, Pops is here because we're actually going to the supermarket because tomorrow we're making jerk chicken. So I'm watching Daddy make a jerk seasoning, and from what I can see we have lots of scallion. He's doing up some onion, we have some thyme, we have scotch bonnet. We actually have some jerk seasoning, a wet seasoning that we're going to be mixing in with it, some garlic powder, and I think that's it. Mo is going to help us clean up the chicken, and we're going to season up the chicken. Let's do this.
It's a dream team, because you know Chef Etwin, they are supervised too.
Oh, please. Alright, that's beautiful. Did you do that with Uncle Andy? Yeah. Good stuff. Alright, come in. And just so you guys know, we're going in with a mild jerk seasoning because we're going to add our own scotch bonnet to it.
Special this one.
God knows. You want gloves? No worries. Oh my God, Daddy just hit this with the palm of his hand. Chill, are you still so man?
Whoa.
Man, just look at him hand me go. What kind of man is this? You want me to show you how I do?
Let me go and see.
No, Jesus!
Oh, you make me mash up, yeah.
The boss put in them secret ingredient, them and thing. We can't tell you everything. We'd have to
Sell everything.
we'd have to, yeah.
No, I have to tell the man, say there's no secret cooking show this.
So boss, why you say the thing turn up?
I don't know, my what's up. Soya sauce.
You're empty, I know so I smell it. I know I smell it.
Your soya sauce, mama?
Yeah, over there, Dad.
Wow.
Mad!
Everything there.
I tell you. You know, say pepper tastes like you just eat by itself.
It's nice, Daddy. It's
Flavor
really
some.
nice.
Another sample the season and you know what I mean? Because you know chef it to enough to pass it.
It's so good.
Glow. Yo.
Nice?
Yo, it stimulate the whole of my tongue.
Don't go in there, man.
Yo, the pepper, everything, it does resonate from my taste bud. Wow. Yeah, up.
Alright guys, so here they are bagged up in the seasoning. We have legs, wings and thighs, and for the thighs Daddy also split them and put more of the seasoning inside. But look at that, guys. Yeah, so now it goes in the fridge and spends the night. Have a good night, guys.
Yeah. Me there eat some cane, you know. Don't know me them call cane marshal. And children enjoy cane now in a young age because a lot of old people that I know have a Lego cane because you know teeth over the years it can wear down, you see me?
Oh wait, we have to tell them about my visit yesterday.
Yeah, then this one me I reach to man because right now Tami can't try what me I try right now because she recuperate.
Your face,
We spent a day in the dentist office.
Not a day.
Not a day, but with
Nice.
a good chunk of the day we were at the dentist yesterday. So cue the footage now. I don't even gonna tell you know what going on. One portion I think a bag of thing.
I did the root canal.
When we came in May of last year.
That's a year ago.
Tami's stress out
We
people.
did the cleaning, we did some fillings on the top right, we did the lower one, that's the root canal problem.
Yeah.
You remember me saying that you have something on the top left? Come.
Take it out.
Come. For me, dentist said come. Just come.
I just had 3 crackers.
Lord God, so tell me for forward them.
Oh, yes,
Jesus, peace.
that's
Wow.
me.
Yes, Dr. Answer.
Clean today now, you
Yes, please,
No,
Ronson, he needs a
so
clean.
me tell you say, no,
Wait, you have to get clean today.
Probably 9
Bro.
Yo, probably 10
He
years.
has to get clean
Has
today.
to.
bro,
Has to.
I left my yard without even brushing my
It's
teeth.
okay, that's why you're here,
Bro.
to clean them.
Bro,
I have
you
crackers
have
in
to.
my teeth right
You
now.
have to. When I follow the
Please,
kids, I'm
please.
done already, so I don't have to
Please.
yeah.
Oh, Ronson, I'm so nervous. I think you have to do an extraction.
But the crown I'm gonna do is, crown's got a crown to it.
No.
I'm gonna do an impression to get the temporary crown.
Yeah.
And then once the wisdom teeth heal, start the crown.
And I want to get braces. I have to do all of this stuff.
You want to get the braces?
No, and my teeth are just. Can I just take them off and get dentures?
Tami, with all I walk on with you, I hold it like a G still, you know.
Wait, I'm telling you, you know how nerve-wracking this whole thing is? You've never had to do this. And you know what burned me about it, Ronson? We don't brush them teeth like me.
What do you mean when I brush my teeth?
I've
like that?
seen
Of
you
course.
brush your
I
teeth.
rush your
It's
out of the yard.
ridiculous.
See me not brush
It's
my teeth.
ridiculous. I'm always like, well, that's not brushing your teeth.
Trina, no, I have a technique.
Don't get this cut. No, you don't.
Open your
It's
mouth
just...
wide, man.
Stop it. What that mean?
Check the date.
2014 when you come here.
2014.
I'm trying to
Yeah, but tell us how to brush my teeth, good bro. Alright, MTM, we'll soon check up back, soon update you. Tami has gone around to the x-ray room now, so they're trying to assess what's really going on. But a beer joke, because people, if you don't know Tami, whenever she's in a stressful situation, she just run beer joke and just make the whole thing just easier for deal with. Fair style that. all in the middle of surgery. Tami run be a joke. Do update on again.
Dr. Reeve said it's not as bad as he was expecting. I could feel the reflection on my tooth.
The reflection
I could feel the reflection.
of the what? The light?
Something was sensitive.
Wow. At any given moment, you can book up coffee or buju.
He's dentist
or,
to the stars.
Yeah, popcorn and him family. Rihanna, Jay-Z. You're likely to book anybody into this place. And it's not no buck up thing. He is very, very good.
He's
very,
the
very
best.
gentle in a people mouth. Him not like them old school dentists they were where a beer bloody taste after you left.
No.
Yeah, man.
Everybody, because him just make everybody get over them trauma.
Facts.
Wayne, is bare Vaseline for my mouth, you know?
That's true.
Turn the thing by you.
Vaseline mouth, man.
Look here, Wayne.
Word. A year is Tami not so quiet, you know. I know I need to argue with you, Tami. Sure, tell me some things, you know. Tami just got her 2 injections to numb for her wisdom teeth extraction. And she hold it like a G, people. I feel it like a little daughter. Cha-cha.
Ease itself out. The tooth, it sits in bone, as you can see here.
Yes.
So when you elevate, you push this instrument in between the tooth and the bone.
Yes.
And of course, 2 things can't occupy the same space at the same time. So by pushing this down, you kind of elevate the tooth. That's why they call it an elevator. By squeezing this in, you force the tooth out of the socket.
Okay.
And then once that happens, you can use the forceps and easily remove it.
I thought you wiggled the forceps and wiggled it out.
The only way the tooth has wiggle is after it's
If you
been
have the
elevated.
elevation. So now when I hear it, I'll know what's happening.
Tami, you better than me do. So people, I came here to give emotional support to Tami, but it end up that I'm long overdue for a clean. You guys heard us talking about it the other day, but the irony of it, she was late for her appointment. She come on beep. Me never realized that she didn't want me come, so I wasn't ready. So I fly out of the house, throw on my shoes, the irony of the situation. I didn't even brush my teeth come here today. Kind of embarrassing, but yeah, no better place to be. Right? Exactly, because the clean room I clean right now, no brush teeth could help that. Oh, so don't sit down yet.
Yeah, not the current table, right?
My 2 previous?
No, it's okay. This cavity is plaque buildup is almost equal to yours and yours.
Shut up.
We have some kind of protective thing in it.
Wayne, if I ever show you how,
Not a cavity inside.
if I ever show, and he doesn't floss.
I do sometimes from time to time. Tami, listen. What?
Some people,
What do you mean?
Some people are just predisposed to have better teeth,
Thank you.
better everything. And
Thank
I'm
you.
One of those people.
Because I guarantee you it's not based on how he brushes or flosses. You hear him say floss from time to time. I floss every day.
Tami, listen.
Floss cover.
Yo, the man don't come since 2014 and the man teeth just a little bit like nothing. You wouldn't believe it.
Tami, I'm not telling a lie. No, when I see you in pain and see after I take pain meds and them things, it hurt me to my core, you know.
I know.
I feel a type of way, you know.
Oh,
Like
that's
me I look on my little like Jackson or Atlas and as them, you know. Seriously, babe, man.
That's sin.
So people, me tell you say the dentist was an episode and a half. Essentially, Tami just grudge me for my good teeth. Them you see me. But God know, you know, say it never feel like so long me never go. Here with me people, me have tender gum. So me kinda not really love that something they see. You see the something we got screechy by your, the metal something we got screechy by your teeth.
That's the worst one.
It mad me. It's like a torture. Them a torture me in a one. It's like Al Qaeda hold me and have me in a one room. But Tami is the ultimate trooper, people. Because see she there and she now ball. She not moan, she not groan, she just a wall out. How you feeling today?
I feel totally fine.
Good.
Yeah,
good.
I'm taking
very happy about
antibiotics
that.
though because I had to get an extraction, and I have to rinse with some salt water. And I haven't had to take any more pain medication. So
Oh,
last
for
night I
real?
took some pain medication and I'm fine now.
Yo, you legit, yo. Jano.
I'm having a coffee, and the car is getting washed, and the door is getting fixed. The chicken is seasoned.
Lord,
I'm having a pretty perfect day. Atlas, everybody said they missed you very much on the vlog yesterday. What you doing there? Okay. Okay. This isn't math.
Wait, what?
Nice job.
Now I'm gonna write this for you.
Okay, what letter is that?
K.
Good job.
And M.
No, start at the top. Down, around, up and around. Good job. Kim. Good try. And now a K. Start at the top line. Right here. Come close to it. Good job. Down. And then we're doing a little K. So instead of it going all the way to the top line, just do it to the broken line and to the bottom line. It's a little one.
Yeah.
That's it. Next one.
Now I'm gonna cut it.
Hold on, we have to do wheel. So start with a W. At the broken line, Okay.
Hold on there. Hold on. No. It can't, oh, that is not what I think it is that I'm using to tickle. Yo, the ultimate tickle tool. Let me see that Atlas. Remember Atlas. Hey! So hold on there. Alright, Atlas. My question to you is where you find feather from? Where you get feather from? Where did you find it?
From a bird. I took it off of
Only Atlas.
From a
Only Atlas. Only Atlas can teeth a feather from a bird.
I just grabbed it and just took off his tether.
Oh no. You don't think the bird needs his feather?
Well, I'm going to be a ball bird.
A bird.
There's more in his thing.
Okay.
Alright, so guys, I think we can take them out with some clips from Joni Twain, but it's a special edition, nighttime edition, over the Liquor City app. See you on Monday. Big up.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.